Hi, I'm Wongster 1970, and this is the 1984 Honda Shadow VT 500C that I purchased a couple years ago. Let's go over the features and everything that I've done to it so far. You can see that this bike has your typical 80s style to it. Got the square headlight in the front. Just screams 1980s. Give you a little walk around here. You can see I'm missing the side cover for the battery. That's almost all of these are missing the side cover, but this is a new battery. Here you have your left and right turn signal, your horn, your high-low beams, high and low. Here's your choke, up for choke on, down for choke off. Here's your clutch, your odometer. You can see it says 26,482 miles. Your tachometer, red line's at 9,500 RPMs. You have your temperature gauge, your left and right turn signal, and I don't think that these are labeled, but one of these is engine, that's neutral. This would be your high beam, your turn signals, but you can see the headlights. Here's your mirrors, left mirror, right mirror, throttle, engine on, off, front brake, fuse holder. I switched this over. This is a 1986 fuse holder. Replaced the older glass fuses with the automotive blade fuses now. Front light, turn signals. There's your left, there's your right. Look at the rear, your left, your right. Parking or tail light, brake light. Here's your rear brake. This is the cover for the air filter. Air filter's in there. It's been replaced. There we go. See, this is a 4990 cc engine. It says CM3. Up here you have your radiator, spark plugs. You have dual spark plugs, 2 per cylinder. One here, one over there. One in here, one on the opposite side. Here is your overflow for the radiator. This is your oil dipstick and oil fill. Dual carburetors. That's off. Here is your other spark plug. Vacuum controlled fuel petcock, so that if the engine's off, it'll stop flowing fuel in case you lay it over. And here is your on position, there's your off, and there's your reserve. This has a single disc brake in the front. The front wheels are 100/90-18 Pirellis that I installed. Exhaust coming back into a muffler up underneath here, out into duals in the rear. Now you have your center stand here, and here's your side stand. Passenger foot pegs in there. course, one over there. Front foot pegs, your gear shifter. Down here, there should be a label indicating what your shift is. This is a 6-speed transmission. It has overdrive, although the overdrive doesn't work. This is a shaft drive. It's a rear drum brake. Rear tire is a 130/90/16. This is also a Pirelli tire. They're probably a couple years old now. Have saddlebags on here that I put on. And your horns are up here. I think that's about all the features. One other thing I wanted to show you here was the location of the oil filter. Oil filter is located right up underneath the rear of the engine here on the 1984 Honda Shadow VT 500C. I lubricated the speedometer cable whenever I got this. I cleaned the carbs, installed spark plugs, placed the oil pressure switch, adjusted the rear brake switch, installed a battery, installed new carb intake isolators, cleaned the fuel tank, cleaned the turn signal switch, installed that fuse box that I was telling you about, installed an ignition control module. They're up underneath the seat because the one was cutting out on me. I replaced all the turn signals. Well, not all of them. I think not this one. But I did replace the turn signals. Some of them were broken. I installed a new starter solenoid, installed carb floats, installed a carb repair kit, installed choke return springs. Whenever I purchased this bike, it was missing the seat. So I found the seat on eBay and this grab bar was missing. So I installed that. I found these saddlebags on Facebook Marketplace and installed them. I had a problem with the fuel, kept shutting off on me, so I installed this one-way valve on here to help keep vacuum up against the shut-off. And I replaced this fuel petcock, cleaned out the tank, of course. Here's your the new starter solenoid that I installed. This voltmeter with the dual USB charger. I lubricated the tachometer cable. I replaced this tachometer because the needle had busted off of it. I was just spinning around in circles. So that is a good use tachometer. I think I rebuilt this front master cylinder because the front brakes were sticking. I think I might have actually replaced the tachometer cable because I think it was broken whenever I got it. Replaced the front fork seals. The previous owner had painted this tank, and actually I think the tank now might be starting to rust a little bit. We'll take a look at it. Okay, you can see that the tank, it is rusting a little bit. It's not bad though. It's been a while since I've started this up. So let's see if it'll start for me. Turn my fuel on. Turn the choke on. Hit our starter button here. I've also synced up the carburetors on it. that's about it. That is the 1984 Honda Shadow VT 500C. Well, that'll do it for going over the features and repairs that I've done on this 1984 Honda Shadow VT 500C. I hope you enjoyed this video. Please like, share, and subscribe, and stay safe. Thanks for watching.